Once upon a time, GameStop was known for the frenzy of customers rushing to its stores to get their hands on the latest video games. Well, now GameStop and the frenzy around it is happening to financial markets. Shares of the retailer are soaring to record highs, trading more than 5 times above analyst estimates. Bloomberg Markets reporter Kriti Gupta is here to discuss and give us the down low on what exactly is happening with GameStop. Okay, I'm looking at GameStop on the terminal, Kriti, 245% year to date. It's January 25th. What is behind this recent surge?
Well, Tim, there's so much going on here, and it really all started with some excitement 2 weeks ago. The Chewy co-founder of that pet company, Ryan Cohen, was added to the board of GameStop. And I'll just preface the rest of the story by saying that GameStop has been a company that's been struggling for the past 4 years. So a big kind of narrative around this was that the addition of Ryan Cohen to the board would simply kind of rejig the company, give it some new life. And so you saw retail traders once again pushing into this company, thinking he would return the company to its former glory. And then you, of course, saw some of the leaders of the GameStop company itself sell some of their shares, thinking, well, that retail bid, maybe it had gone too far. Even Citron Research, one of those major short-selling companies, said they're not going to comment on those rallies anymore because of simply the power behind some of those retail trades. And that retail trade is still going on. Some of these traders paying a 426% premium to what analysts think it's worth. So it's a story that just keeps on going.
Where does Reddit come into this, Kriti? I'm seeing so much on Twitter about Redditors talking about this company.
Well, it has a lot to do with it. So Reddit has started to serve as this kind of medium, this platform for where a lot of these retail traders discuss ideas and discuss kind of what's going on, their thinking behind some of these rallies. And a lot of the companies that have gotten these monster rallies off this retail bid, a lot of the conversation has started on Reddit. And that's why you're seeing GameStop show up on those platforms.
Okay, so, what are the Redditors saying, though? Are they saying, hey, this is a company that we actually believe justifies this price, or are these people just riding this rocket ship thinking that it's going to keep going up because of people like them?
It kind of seems like the latter. It's this idea that we've seen really manifest during the pandemic, that this idea that stocks are only going to go up. So why not pile into it, drive the stock price up, and enjoy the ride? Wow. And I think that's where you're really seeing that narrative not just show up in Reddit, but several other social media platforms. It's driving the likes of GameStop, Kodak, Tesla at one point. So once again, this is a theme that you've really seen amplify underneath the pandemic.
That chart is just mind-boggling to see. Kriti Gupta, Bloomberg Markets reporter. Kriti, thank you as always for your time.
The biggest stories the moment they happen from around the globe. Subscribe to Bloomberg Quick Take now for insight in an instant.